Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today I have got a Loewe unboxing for you. Ooh, exciting. Even more exciting is I got this for free and I'm going to share how that happened and how you can get one for yourself. You heard that right, this was free. I got this for free. I didn't hand over any money for this. I am going to do the unboxing, but first I'm going to tell you how. And it wasn't Loewe gifting me things, although Loewe, if you want to gift me things, please feel free. I would gladly accept. It wasn't Loewe that gave me this for free, it was Harrods that gave me this for free. How on earth did you manage to swing that, Gwenny? I hear you cry. Well, I may have mentioned it a few times, but I am a Harrods Rewards member. Harrods Rewards member. Harrods has its own rewards card where you can collect points and those points convert into money and then you can spend that money in Harrods. I had accumulated enough points that I was able to pay for this entirely from my Harrods Rewards points. Now, I also got 10% off this. And that is because I am a Harrods Rewards member and Harrods will periodically do a 10% off promotion, but it's only valid for Harrods Rewards members. It doesn't work on every single brand, but Loewe is one of the brands it does work on. I've tried it with JW Anderson and Max Mara and a few other brands, and it works with them. Sadly, it does not work on Fendi or Loewe or Dior or Chanel, but it works on a lot of brands. And when that 10% promotion is on, that is when I try and do things like restocking on my Estee Lauder kind of products and all of that kind of gubbins. I beg your pardon, what was that? You're new to my channel? Well, hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So you get 10% off promotions for just being a Harrods Rewards member. They have got one running at the moment this weekend. By the time you see this video, it will have finished, but I had put a post on my community post and a link to sign up to be a Harrods Rewards member and start collecting those all-important points and taking advantage of those all-important 10% off promotions. Now, so they do these periodic 10% promotions, but because of Fendi, because of buying Fendi at Harrods, I am actually a black tier member, so that gives me a few other little extra bits and pieces, like free delivery on everything. Anything I order, even if it's £10 from the Harrods website, it's free delivery to me at home. So that's a really good benefit. I'm also able, as a black tier member, to choose two days per year where I choose to use my 10% off. So I can nominate a day, and I nominated the Friday that the line and I went to Harrods for the day because I wanted to go to Loewe, I wanted to see if they had this in, and I wanted to get my 10% off. So I nominated that Friday while I was in there talking to the client advisor about this. He mentioned that this next one, the following weekend, which is this weekend that I'm filming, are you staying with me? Doesn't matter if you're not, just know you need to sign up to be a Harrods Rewards member, and there's a link in my description. I wanted to see this in person. So enough of the chat. By the way, not sponsored by Loewe, not sponsored by Harrods. Again, either of them want to sponsor me, I'm here for it. Now Loewe, when they package up, oh, I don't know what fragrance it is, but it's really, really nice. They put this lovely bit of tissue paper on top of the bag and then they spritz it with some sort of perfume and it smells delicious. It's really light and fresh, but it has got that little underlying spice in there. Okay, this is the box it came in. It's a cute little dinky thing, and this was on my lust list, my recent lust list, so if you watch that you might have an idea of what this is. Oh, I quite like that. Look at that. It's got the Loewe on the front, it's got the little anagram there, but it's not just a take it off completely thing we have in here. A little care card booklet thing. a composition card telling you what it is made of, and a little dust bag here. 1, 2, 3. Ah. In here, can you tell what it is yet? It is a card holder. Yes, it's the wrong way around. Can you tell which one it is yet? No, you can't. Is the colour I'm wearing a bit of a giveaway? No, not in this case it isn't, because I went for the shades of, what do you call it? Cream, grey and lime. I'm sure it's got a proper name, but this is the puzzle card holder. So you can see the individual slots have got this sort of puzzle detailing, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the anagram motif logo embossed into the leather there, and this feels, oh, it feels so good, and the colours are fabulous. In fact, it is a perfect match for my chartreuse shirt that you will have seen me wear in a recent video, and I do love this colour. Look at that, what a combo. I wanted to try this card holder. The leather on my mini puzzle is absolutely gorgeous, and this is similar. Actually, maybe it's slightly different, because the grain on this kind of creamy piece at the back here is quite a big grain, quite a chunky kind of grain. This greyish colour here is slightly more smooth, and then somewhere in between is this kind of chartreusey lime acid colour. So you've got 2 slots on the front, one there, 2 slots on the back, one there, and then you've got the slot in the middle, and the slot in the middle is a very slightly different shade of greyish again. And just in there, don't know if you're going to be able to see it, if it'll pick up on the camera with the light and everything, but it's got Loewe debossed there, and then on this side we've got like a serial number or something. I will find out in the edit if that showed up at all. This retails in the UK for 250 Great British pounds, and my 10% off that for my nominated day, not your standard Harrods chosen day, my nominated day, took it down from 250, took £25 off to £225. At that very moment in time, I actually happened to have £225 worth of Harrods Rewards points. So I said, my good man, take it off my rewards points. And he did. So this cost me nothing. Now you could argue I had to spend a lot of money to get those points for this to cost me nothing. And you wouldn't be wrong, but I would have been spending that money anyway. And had I been spending that in Fendi boutique, if I'd been buying my makeup or something at John Lewis or another company or another retailer, I would not have got the points. If I can buy it at Harrods now, I will buy it at Harrods now, because I get the points. Also, as a Black Tier member, you get 3 points for every £1 you spend. So if I can buy it at Harrods, I will buy it at Harrods, because I will continue to accumulate my points. I have already accumulated more points with Harrods, because this 225 that I spent on this card holder did not include the spend for my recent double Fendi unboxing. That is sitting on my account, and I already have another £100 saved up in my Harrods Rewards points that I can spend on something else. So I could buy something else this weekend and knock £100 off it. So I think that is a brilliant deal. I'm really happy, can't wait to actually move into this. I have been wanted to use this the day I bought it, but I wanted to keep it all nice for the unboxing. So I'm going to move into this card holder now, and I am going to implore you to get down into the description box, find my Harrods link. I'll probably also put it in a pinned comment at the top of the comment section. Go and sign up and be a Harrods Rewards member. They ship internationally as well. And for some of you, depending on the brands and depending on your location in the world, it could actually still work out cheaper if you have to pay for shipping and taxes and what have you, it could still work out cheaper buying the product from Harrods in the UK and having it shipped to wherever you are than it would be to buy locally in your own country. I'm just saying, it's worth a look. Let me know what you think of my new card holder in the comment section down below. Are you surprised at the colour choice I went for? Out of the 2 options I had in my lust list, are you surprised? Let me know. Tell me if you are going to sign up to the Harrods Rewards points and be a Harrods Rewards member. I think it is really, really worth it. And I still think it is amazing that a department store like Harrods, the elevated status that it has globally, does its own rewards points. I think it's brilliant. So yeah, go and sign up for it. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.